In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Mailchimp campaign as a PDF for digital records. Whether you're looking to archive your campaigns for future reference or need to keep track of successful campaigns for your records, saving them as PDFs offers a simple and reliable solution. Let's get started. First, you want to open your Mailchimp account and navigate to the specific campaign you want to save. Once you've selected your campaign, switch to the preview mode. This step is crucial as it allows you to view the campaign exactly as it will appear to your recipients. In preview mode, you can ensure that all elements are displayed correctly, ensuring your PDF will look just as polished and professional as your original campaign. Next, you'll use your browser's built-in print function to save your campaign as a PDF. If you're using Windows, you can do this easily by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard. For Mac users, the command you need is CMD+P. This shortcut will quickly open the print dialog in your browser. Once you have the print dialog open, you'll want to take a moment to adjust a few key print settings. Start by selecting the print destination. If your intent is to create a PDF, ensure that your printer is set to either Save as PDF or Print to PDF, depending on what your browser displays. This setting redirects the output away from a physical printer and toward a digital file. Now let's tweak the layout and page settings to suit your needs. Generally, you'll want to choose a layout option that best represents your campaign. For most users, the portrait layout tends to work best, but if your campaign is particularly wide, the landscape option might be more suitable. Additionally, you have the option to select which pages to include in your PDF. For a complete copy, ensure that all pages are selected. Some browsers may allow you to preview each page before saving, ensuring that you have all the information you need. After you've configured these settings, you're ready to create your PDF. Simply click Print or Save, and your campaign will start converting into a PDF file. Depending on the complexity and length of your campaign, this process might take a few moments, so be patient. Once complete, choose a location on your computer to store your new file and give it a memorable name for easy access later. And there you have it. You've now successfully saved your Mailchimp campaign as a PDF. Not only does this method help you keep a permanent digital record, but it also ensures that you can revisit your campaigns and share them whenever needed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy emailing.